Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the some utility that is Mapfield utility. How we can use this utility when we are using OpenFOAM. So basically this utility it map the field from one case to another case in OpenFOAM. Like when we have the simulated case, so fields we can use for the some another case. I will explain in more detail uh, in later on, and in and more detail I will demonstrate in more detail I will demonstrate when we use the demonstration for this utility, how we can use and how we can benefit for how we can take the benefit of using this utility map fields. So basically map field, as I said, when we any utility, any command when we are using, then just first of all we have to see what it is. Just we can type in the terminal map, like for example we are using this utility map field. Just type in the map field hyphen help, then it will show and it will display the some options and detail about this, so you can get it. So basically like what it does when we have when we have a case, then the flow field we have there, then flow field and that particular time or instance we can use that flow field for the another case and we can simulate that. So today one, like we have the source field and another is target field. Target source field mean which we are already we have some results, so we are going to use the target mean our current where we are going to use this thing. Yes. So if you want to go in the detail, just you can have a look of this this source which I mentioned here. So yeah, and you will get the more information about it. So uh, and here for here for this demonstration we have one problem is considered, which I am going to demonstrate by different two solver in open form. That is simple form and pimple form. Basically simple form is used for the steady state flow. And another solver is used for the pimple form, which is used for unsteady state flow. And see, and map field utility is used to map the fields, and their works like initialization for the current case which form the another case. So we will discuss in the more detail when we use the demonstration case. uh, we said we are going to demonstrate one problem which by using two solver. First the first two solver, and this case first case is the steady state, another case is the unsteady state case. So that is we have the, like I mentioned here, the one first case is the case simple form and another simple case is this simple form case. Basically we have two cases here. First, like we can, like we have the some tutorial case we can copy into the current directory. So when we use this when we use source the your open form, just type this, it will take you the run directory. So into the run directory you can copy one tutorial here. The same tutorial, but on the difference in only the difference in first case is for the steady state, another case for the unsteady state. Yes. Now when we have the steady state case simulation results, like we have this now for that steady state case results we can use for the unsteady state. How we can how we are going to use, so we can solve the we can basically we can save the computational time. Like if you are starting from the initial, then the flow the flow is will it will take time to develop. So then we can use the steady state simulation results, so we can save the computational time. Yeah. And as we know, the tangent computation is more computationally extensive, so for that we can use this utility will help you to get the solution. So like these are the main commands, so you can follow this this slide. So it will you will get the, yes, you will get the some information how you are going to use this utility. First of all, like you can go to the this case which unsteady state, why you, yes. And first of all, whenever you are using any utility, just take a have a look what it is. Just type you that name of that utility and just a hyphen and help, then you will get the some display information which you are, it will help you to use this any utility. So how it work? Suppose like we have map field here, map field utility, then consistent. Basically, if you if you execute this, then you will get the some option. So there is some consistent option also is there. So it's mean you are using the same boundary condition with the same geometry, same mesh. So from one case to another case. So that's why we are sourcing one latest time, basically latest time, yeah. And this is the source case which we are going to map, which we are going to take the map field for to the current target. But what is our target source is this one, this case. So and then if you execute, then you can visualize, then you can see the results. Later on I will explain to you. And we can run the simulation. After that you can after that you can change some setting, whatever is basically it's user it depend on you. Yeah. And execute the simple form, basically that is the solver which you are going to use to flow analysis for an steady state. So then if you do this, if you execute paraform or if you execute bento, it will touch basically it will create the like this file. And so, and you can open this file in the paraview and you can visualize and you can see the result for the initially, like we have the earlier case, this is the steady state simulation result. So that is the some flow field, like this is the velocity profile is showing here. So that profile we are going to we are going to this is for the wall, but we have the another field also. So that we can map the this field to the our current case which you are, that is the initial. After that you can run the simulation, then you can see what happening with respect to time, what for this case. So and these are the useful link, you can have a look and go through and you can get the more information about it. So yeah. And thank you thank you for watching this video. And you can follow me for the more update. These are the some you can click on, then you click on the any icon, you can go to the link and you can subscribe, so you will get the more update in future. Thank you for watching.